Ever wondered how engineers make sense of complex systems in industries? It all starts with a Piping and Instrumentation Diagram, or P&ID. These are not just a random collection of lines and symbols. Rather, P&IDs serve as a crucial blueprint in engineering and process industries, outlining the piping, equipment, and control measures within a system. Think of it as a map, guiding you through a maze of pipes, valves, and instruments, each with its own unique symbol and purpose. Today, we'll unravel the mystery behind these diagrams, breaking down each component step by step. From the title block at the corner to the intricate symbols scattered across the page, we'll decode what each element signifies. And by the end of this guide, you'll be able to navigate a P&ID with ease and confidence. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of P&ID. First things first, the title block. It's like the identity card of a P&ID. It's brimming with valuable information that sets the stage for the entire diagram. The project name, drawing number, and revision details are all nestled in this compact section. It's not just a block of text, but a key that unlocks the rest of the P&ID for you. So don't skim over it. Take your time, soak it in. Remember, the title block is your starting point. Now let's move on to the symbols that represent equipment. Imagine these symbols as a secret language. Once you know how to decipher them, you'll understand the entire system. Each symbol on a P&ID represents a specific piece of equipment. For instance, you'll see different symbols for pumps, tanks, valves, and heaters. A pump, for example, is typically represented by a circle with an arrow indicating the flow direction. A tank, on the other hand, might be depicted as two parallel lines. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these symbols as they form the core vocabulary of any P&ID. By recognizing these symbols, you'll be able to identify the equipment used in a process system, and this understanding will give you a clear picture of how the system operates. These symbols are the building blocks of a P&ID. What connects all these pieces of equipment? The piping, of course. Pipes are the highway of the process industry, transporting raw materials, intermediates, and finished products from one point to another. But how do we keep track of what's happening inside these pipes? That's where instruments come into play. They're like the eyes and ears of an engineer, providing real-time data on variables like temperature, pressure, and flow rate. Each instrument is represented by a unique symbol on the P&ID. For example, a circle with a line through it might represent a control valve, while a diamond shape could denote a flow meter. These components play a crucial role in monitoring and controlling the process, ensuring everything runs smoothly and safely. So, when you're reading a P&ID, remember, pipes and instruments are the veins and nerves of a system, keeping it alive and functioning. Annotations and legends, they're like the footnotes of a P&ID. These tiny details are often overlooked, but they hold a wealth of information. Imagine you're reading a book written in a language you're still learning. You'd rely heavily on those footnotes, wouldn't you? Similarly, annotations and legends are the translators of a P&ID. They offer a deeper understanding of the process being represented. For instance, they can tell you about the sizes of the pipes, the directions in which the fluids are flowing, and even the specifications of the equipment involved. They can be the key to unlocking the full story of the system. So next time you're faced with a P&ID, don't just skim over those little notes and symbols. Dive into them. They're there to provide clarity and understanding. Never underestimate the power of small notes and legends. Finally, the flow. It's the heart of the process. The P&ID, in essence, is a story of how materials and information journey through an intricate network of pipes, equipment, and instruments. This flow is indicated by arrows and lines, serving as the roadmap to understanding the system's operation. Imagine these lines as highways, connecting various cities, which are the equipment. The arrows show the direction, guiding materials from one city to another, just like trucks transporting goods. It's essential to grasp this flow, as it provides a complete picture of how the process works, from start to finish. Now think of the information flow as the GPS system guiding these trucks. The instruments on the P&ID are like the GPS devices, continually monitoring and controlling the process. They provide real-time data such as pressure, temperature, and flow rate, ensuring everything is running smoothly. In other words, They are the eyes and ears of the system. A keen understanding of this flow of materials and information is vital to any person working with a P&ID. It allows engineers to design, operate, and troubleshoot the system effectively. It's like reading the story of the process, where each line, symbol, and annotation plays a crucial role in the narrative. Understanding the flow is like reading the story of the process. So the next time you look at a P&ID, remember, you're not just looking at a diagram, but a tale of how a system comes to life. And there you have it. We've dissected a P&ID piece by piece, from the title block to equipment symbols, piping, instruments, annotations, and legends. We've also demystified how to follow the flow of materials and information. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to navigate the intricate world of piping and instrumentation diagrams. With these simple steps, you'll be reading P&ID diagrams like a pro. Subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.